This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about silicone kitchen utensils, specifically these great silicone spatulas, mixing spoons, and basting brushes. Each of these measures approximately 10.5 inches in length, and you can see they're both available in black and purple. And there's a few different options for you. We have the nice large mixing spoon, your traditional kind of flat spatula, the cupped spoon spatula, which allows you to kind of scoop things there. Love those for frostings. And finally, the basting brush, which is a nice wide silicone basting brush with a lot of great bristles. The colors are not only festive and decorative, but helpful for doing things like color coding in your kitchen if you have some dietary requirements or allergens that you need to be able to separate out your utensils for. The silicone can handle heat up to 570 degrees, making it perfect for use in a variety of dishes, even those that require boiling temperatures. They're also dishwasher safe, which makes for an easy cleanup. And the rubber is sturdy while also helping to preserve pots and pans and preventing things like scratches to your valuable equipment. The texture of the rubber provides a nice superior grip, helping to make tasks easier while preventing accidents. And the non-toxic silicone is designed to help prevent bacteria buildup. And I also love that they're a single piece design. Especially with these spatulas, there's no removable head, meaning that you're just washing the single utensil and you don't have to worry about removing that secondary piece to fully clean and sanitize them. So it helps make cleanup easier and allows you to really get your equipment nice and clean. The sturdy nylon core won't bend or break, making for a durable, long-lasting utensil, and these are perfect for any kind of professional food establishment or for use at home.